FPV right now, guys. What do you think? Let's get a close-up of these goggles that Joe Fodoleo did. Look at them goggles. Go for it, buddy. Let it rip.
This is awesome.
You're hooked now. You smart?
Yep.
Okay, now go. Do a little hard bank and hard turn. You know, don't turn it real hard, but just turn. You'll get to feel the juice.
Yeah.
Look at that smile. That's a grin right there coming off of it. He's loving it. He just got through putting a new battery in it. He's gonna do this himself. Look at them goggles on his head. Yeah, he's ready to do this. Goggles down. He's ready to launch. FPV pilot, third battery. FPV pilot right there, fellas. In the making. Out here with Papa. Don't get any better than this. Life is good. Thank you, Lord, for this day. And it was a good day, Parker.
Yep.
Knuckle bump, bud. I love you, man.
Love you.